Right. To measure of that, 3.88. It's the internal diameter for our grommet, and then that's in the way now. Can we measure there? 7.87. Oh no, hang on, moving it round a bit. 8.24. So, hang on. Obviously not in there properly. .3. Where are we? Focus. Okay, 8.3 there. And can we get on there? Three 3.69, 3.7. Yeah. Okay. We'll go and print something. And of course, we need to know the width of it as well. I think it's supposed to be 5. Yeah. And 5mm. So a circle 3.7, 8.3, and the depth 5mm. Roughly scrawled on there. Right, this is what I've printed. So this is the shaft, whatever you want to call it, that's got to go in there. I've made it a tight fit. I've also put those, you can probably just see there's 4 little ridges there to help it grip where it's going. So we'll put it together and see what happens. Well, just out of interest, while working on this, I've now found these little brass bits are collars that actually slide up and down on that shaft. I thought they were part of the shaft. I might take them off and clean them up before I force them into the plastic grommets, as I'm calling them. Yeah, that one's rigid, so I don't know if they're supposed to spin freely. That one certainly wants to. So yeah, I'll see if I can clean that one up. Right. They are now free running. I'm just wondering if they were brass bushes inside the original silicon or whatever they were grommets. They were all gummed up. But they're now nice and free. I'll put a bit more lubricant on them just to finish them off, but they're pretty free now. Yeah, interesting. Didn't expect that. I thought that was all sealed together. All one piece. So what I think I'll do now is actually push those brass bushes into my plastic grommets, as I keep calling them, before I try and assemble it. That'll work out quite neatly. So I'll put that in there. Should be able to clamp it in with that, with a bit of luck, if I can get my fingers out of the way in time. It's almost going in. Looks like I may not have cleaned out the inside of the plastic well enough. I have to push it out again and tidy it up a bit more. There we go. I'll do the other one and put it back in. Right, can we get it through? There. You can't see what I'm doing. Goes on there. It's going to be a little bit awkward to squeeze in place. What I usually say at this point is I'll work on it off camera. Right, back in place. So, try a bit of paper. I'll put the battery back in. Oh yes, that's flattened it down nicely. The only thing is, have I caused it any problems by making it rigid instead of a bit of flex in it? What I'm worried about is if it's too rigid, it might put some stress on the teeth on the gears. But that plastic that I've used, that filament, is relatively soft. It's not as soft as a piece of rubber or silicone, but there is some give in it, because I've been trying to use it for a spring and it's too soft for a spring. That looks like that might have worked though, so I'll put the bottom back on, put the top back on, and we'll give it a try. Nearly forgot to put the circlips back on, so I will do that before I forget. Again, that's going to be easier done without the camera in the way. That's that one. That's going to be the awkward one. Oh, done it. I think. Yep, that's it. So they're in place. Right, now I'll put the top back on. All back together. The only thing I haven't done is put the one rubber foot back on, because I know somewhere I've got a set of stick-on feet, a sheet of paper full of them, which I can't find at the moment. So can't do that. So we've got no protection for a shiny surface if you put it down on a desk at the moment. I've got some random sheets of paper, 4 sheets there. So see if it can do 4. Did that with no trouble. If we fold it over and do 8. Very nice. pleased with that. That's going down properly now. I can only hope that that doesn't damage the teeth, because we haven't got the flexibility there. Yeah, excellent. Pleased with that. So that's a little bit of 3D printing again, using the softer filament that I've got. I couldn't tell you it's a specific brand. I just bought cheap filament off eBay. The orange and the blue were a bit brittle, and the silver seems to be soft. So not as soft as rubber, but soft compared to the brittle hard PLA. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.